Hi, my name is Allison Soa and I'm one of the instructional technology coaches here at St. Francis Xavier School. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Freckle. Freckle is an adaptive reading and math program that moves along at the rate of your child's learning. So if they need a little extra help in math or reading, it's going to give them work at that level. If they're ready for a new challenge, it's going to push them to the next challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Freckle. There are two ways. You can use a QR code or you can use a text code. I personally think the text code works more consistently, but how you choose to do it is up to you. I will show you both ways. So here I'm on a student's iPad. In order to get to Freckle, I am going to go up to this icon here with the pig on it. So let's open Freckle. Freckle will always start with this screen. So we're going to start with I'm a student. And then it's going to take us to this screen here. So there are two ways to log in. I can choose to enter the class code up here, or I can go down here and enter a QR code. I think entering with the class code is easier because it will save the class code in the future, but you can also use the QR code. So let's start with that one first. So I'm going to tap that button, and then what it's going to say is it says click here to take a picture of your QR code. Now, if this is the first time you've used the camera with Freckle on your iPad, you will have to give the iPad permission to use the camera. So we're going to tap this blue thing, and you're actually going to take a picture with it. So you're going to use your shutter button over here. So I'm going to try to get fairly close to this and then take a picture. In the bottom, it's going to say use photo. And if it lets me log in, great, it'll take me straight here. I'm going to exit, and then I'm going to show you the other way to log in. So again, I'm going to go to I'm a student. I would enter the class code my teacher gave me. I then pick who I am. And then it says, am I ready to start? So then I hit the arrow. And it takes me back here. If my teacher has something for me to do, I will get notification here where it says from my teacher. I can go to math, and I have a few different things to do. I can work on just fact practice, which is available twice a day, number facts and number basics. But the one that moves along as your child progresses is this adaptive math. So you would click on that. It's going to show you several different domains that are appropriate for that grade level. You can see I did start this one, but each one you will be given a pre-test. It will move your child to that level. So if I click here, I can see that I am on level 2. If I hit the blue arrow in the bottom right corner, I can see that there are currently 9 levels here. If your child is in a higher grade level, it may add some. If a level is too difficult, the student can always back out of it and go pick a different domain. So we're going to go take a look at English. There are several different places to work from here in English Language Arts category. I'm currently logged in as a kindergartner, so the options probably change as you go up in grades. The one that the students might find the most fun is the library. I get to choose them between fiction and nonfiction. And it divides things into topics. So I can click on a story. I can try reading it. It's going to allow me to turn the pages. By clicking any of these speaker buttons, I can listen to the story. And then once I'm done reading the entire story, it's going to have a quiz. Your teacher will see how you did on the quiz. After a certain period, the piggy store will open up to allow your child to purchase items from the piggy store. It is a brief window. It is not open all the time. And then the students have to wait until the next time the piggy store opens. Once your students finish their pretest, Freckle will differentiate and put them at the level that they're currently working at. It is really important that students are working in Freckle on their own. They can ask you a question, but since Freckle moves the kids through the program based on their current level of knowledge, if you are trying to show them something new, it's going to give them a harder problem the next time. If a certain category starts to get too difficult, have your child back out of it and go work in a different one. It may just be that they're not ready for that level yet. We need to get through a little bit more of the school year before they are ready for that. It's completely normal. There are times your teacher may assign you something to do in Freckle, and there's a little box that says from your teacher. So you can head to that box and it will be there waiting for you. If you have any questions about Freckle or anything else, please email me at this link below. Have fun!